74% of people start their search for a solicitor online, but only 10% of law firms actually blog. That's a massive gap. And if you're a solicitor not filling it, you're missing out big time. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use a simple blog to bring potential clients to your law firm without spending a penny on ads. Point number one, why blogging builds trust faster than ads ever will. When someone has a legal problem, they're stressed, they're worried, and they want to know they're in safe hands. So what do? They Google it. And if your firm has a clear, helpful article that answers their exact question, you've just made the best first impression possible. Think about it from their side. They find a detailed post on your site explaining exactly what happens during a probate case or what their rights are as a tenant facing eviction. Before they've even picked up the phone, they've already trusted you. You've shown them you know your stuff. A paid ad can get you a click, but a well-written blog post earns you credibility. And credibility is what turns a visitor into a client. One small personal injury firm in Manchester started blogging about common accident scenarios and victim rights. People began contacting them specifically because they read those articles. The inquiries were warmer, better informed, and far more likely to convert. Point number two, what you should actually write about. The best blog topics are already sitting in your inbox. What do clients ask you in that first consultation? Those questions are gold. If people are asking you in person, they're searching for the same answers online. Write how to guides, what happens if scenarios, and plain English explainers. Things like what to do after a car accident in London, or essential clauses every small business contract needs. Keep the language simple. You're not writing for other solicitors. You're writing for real people who need help and want to understand their situation before they commit to hiring someone. You can also share anonymized success stories, not the legal detail, but the journey, the problem, the approach, and the outcome. That kind of content shows potential clients what working with you actually looks like. Now, here's the bit most people completely miss. That's point number three. You need to make Google notice your blog. Writing great content is only half of it. If nobody can find your post, they're not doing anything for you. This is where a bit of basic SEO makes a huge difference. Start with keyword research, use a free tool like Google Keyword Planner, and find out what people in your area are actually searching for. Not just divorce solicitor, but longer phrases like how to file for divorce in London with children. Those specific searches are where smaller firms can genuinely outrank the big players. Then make sure your blog posts have proper title tags, clear headings, and a meta description that makes people want to click. Link between your own articles so visitors stick around for longer, and share every post on LinkedIn because that's where your professional network is and it's where legal content gets real traction. Point number four, how to keep it going without burning out. I know what you're thinking. I barely have time to eat lunch, let alone write blog posts. Fair enough. But consistency matters more than volume. One solid post a month is better than 4 posts in January and then nothing until June. Plan your topics in advance with a simple content calendar. Batch your writing by setting aside a couple of hours once a month and repurpose everything. A single blog post can become a LinkedIn update, a short video, or an FAQ on your website. You don't need to start from scratch every time. So, if you're a solicitor wondering where your next client is coming from, you really need to start a blog. Answer the questions people are already searching for. Make sure Google can find it and stay consistent. The leads will follow. For help putting a content strategy together for your firm, head over to sfdigital.co.uk.